everyone, welcome to my kitchen once again. আজি যেটো recipe আপোনালোকৰ লগত share কৰিব লৈছো ইটো আছে red velvet cake, and this cake is going to be very special for me because I'm making this for my wedding anniversary. And before heading to the other sections, I just want to say that I'm not a professional baker, but I have seen my mom cooking cake since my childhood. That's why I'm so lucky. And of course I want to say this that I have learned this recipe, red velvet cake recipe, from this YouTube, and trust me guys, this is awesome recipe. So let's make it.
First, I'm taking 1 cup of full cream milk, and which is about 250 ml. Now what I'm going to do, I will add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Here it goes. I'm stirring it nicely and keep it aside for about 10 minutes. Actually, I didn't get buttermilk here, that's why I'm making this way. If you have, then you just take 1 cup of buttermilk instead of going through this process. I'm taking a large bowl and a sieve. First, we will assemble our dry ingredients. Here I am taking 1.5 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, half a teaspoon salt. Mix and sieve it all together into the bowl. Now keep it aside. In another bowl, I'm taking 1 cup of unsalted butter. Now I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. Mix it with a hand beater or the electric one. I prefer the electric one because it's much easier. I will beat this mixture till it becomes a little bit fluffy. Now I'm going to add 3 eggs, but one by one. Here goes number 1. Here goes number 2. Here goes the last one. I beat 1 minute for every egg. Now into the buttermilk, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon red color. Now I'm going to add the colored buttermilk into the batter. Now I will add the dry ingredients here. I will not use hand mixture here. I'm just folding the mixture with a spatula very gently. So my batter is ready, and one important thing is that all ingredients that I'm using here should be in room temperature. For baking the cake, I'm using an unmoldable round baking tray here. And I have already preheated my oven at 220 degrees for about 20 minutes. I'm using a butter paper at the bottom of the tin. And I will grease the sides with some butter. Now it's time to pour the butter inside the tin, and always start from the middle. A little bit shakes and taps reduce the air bubble inside the batter, and it's ready to go oven. So my oven is well heated, and I'm placing my cake tin inside it, and I will cook it at 220 degrees for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to check my cake is cooked or not. If the skewer or the toothpick comes with clean, that means the cake is ready. So my cake is ready. I will take out from the oven and let it cool for some time. For my red velvet cake, I will use cream cheese frosting. For making this, here I am using 1 cup of whipped cream. Into the whipped cream, I am adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And I will beat it medium to high speed until it becomes stiff. In another bowl, I am taking half cup of cream cheese. Into it, I am adding half cup of brown sugar or icing sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla essence. And I will beat the mixture till it little bit airy. Now I will add the whipping cream into the cream cheese batter little by little. Just fold with a spatula, never use beater here. So my cream cheese frosting is ready. Now it's time to decorate the cake. I have made 2 cakes and I cut it into heart shape because it's my anniversary cake. Look how fluffy and moisty it is. It's only because of the buttermilk. Here I'm using a butter knife to spread the cream on the cake. With these cutted pieces of cake, I'm using for its decoration. If you like my recipes, please appreciate my channel by subscribing and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So guys, bye for now.